Hi there, welcome to Tech AI Explain. Let's talk about SVM or Sport Vector Machine in a super simple way. Imagine you are organizing a sport event and you need to sort players into two groups: basketball players and soccer players, but you don't know who plays what, so you use scores like their height and shoe size. Okay, you draw a graph. On one side you put their height and on the other hand their shoe size. Each player becomes a dot on the graph. Some dots are basketball players and some are soccer players. Now here's the cool part. SVM draws a line to split the two groups, but it does not just draw any line. It finds the best line, the one that's for best from both group. This gap is called the margin. A bigger margin means better sorting. Sometimes the dots are mixed up and a straight line does not work. No worries. SVM is a super smart. It bends the graph into a new shape, like lifting into a 3D. Now it's easier to split the groups. So SVM does two things. It draws the best line to separate the groups. If needed, it bends the space to make separation easier. And that's it. SVM helps us sorting thing, but just like a referee. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple AI explanation. See you next time.